Hello, lovers of good food. How are you all doing? Welcome back to another yummy recipe. Have you ever eaten authentic yummy chin chin before? This is not your regular chin chin, yo. This right here is garbage chin chin. Yes. Na only Obi dia dey chest am. Without wasting more time, my people, let's dive into the video. So here, as you see me doing, I cut my garbage into two. We are going to be using half of full garbage. So after washing, I'm slicing the garbage. We are going to transfer it to blender, then add water to blend purple garbage. Are you new to this channel? You are highly welcome. Please do subscribe if you love what we are doing here. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be getting our update whenever we upload. Thank you to all our returning subscribers. I appreciate you all so much. God bless you, my people, for the love. So I'm still on it. We are still blending our garbage. Right now we are done blending our garbage. The next thing, here we have our all-purpose flour in a bowl. This is 1 kg, 1 and 200 kg. That is, what am I even saying? 1.2 kg. Okay, that is 1 kilo and 200 gram. Yeah, that is what we have there. So I added cinnamon, I added baking powder, I also added salt as well. I will be listing the quantity of the ingredients in the description box, okay? So I also added sugar. I wanted to use condensed milk, but my condensed milk was not enough. So I have to use both sugar and condensed milk. So I will be listing all the quantity of the ingredients at the description box. So after mixing all the dry ingredients, as you see me doing with my spoon, the next thing is to add our butter, okay? So after adding the butter, I'm just going to start mixing, okay? After mixing for few seconds, the next thing will be to add our egg. If you are still watching to this very moment, please let us know where you are watching from so that we can send you some egg in our next video. At this point, I added one medium size of egg, and I'm also adding a condensed milk that I said at the beginning. So after adding the condensed milk, I'm going to go ahead and continue mixing until get to the point where we'll have to add our last ingredient, which is blended garbage, as you see me doing. Oh my god, I love this color already. So I'm just going to start mixing it the way you see me doing. At this point, I had to transfer it to the surface so that I can use my both end to give it a very good mix, as you see me doing. Look at that color. It's already looking tempting already. At this point, it was time to start slicing our chin chin. I already have my oil heating up, so we are going to start frying as you see me doing. Guys, I wish there is a way you can try this chin chin. You will testify. This chin chin was a go. Yeah, this was the point that I was frying the chin chin. As you see me doing here right now, I was frying the chin chin. So at this point, this very one was ready. It was very dry. I love it. Okay, it was dry. Yeah. So I will just take that off. Okay. Look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Will you be trying this recipe? Is only Obidia the chest down. At this point, it was package. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Leave it at the comment section. Please share this video and subscribe. Bye bye.